whatever happens across from us in our seventh house happens to us. It's just two ends of the same spectrum, right? Taurus, Scorpio, and all the other signs as well. There are actually 6 scales. Each has 2 polarities, making it 12 signs. But they all meet in the middle, where the fucus energy is. And when you recognize that what has been going on in your relationships has been mirroring something in your own depth that maybe you weren't aware of, you're able to come to terms with it with a sense of ease and acceptance, and it becomes lighter because it's reframed positively.